Hi everyone, I'm Shubham Jhavar. I'm a master teacher at Vedantu. We are discussing KVPY 2019 SX Part 1 Mathematics, and the question for this video is this. Let A1, A2 and A3 be the regions on R square means on XY plane, defined by A1 having all the points having XY coordinates where X and Y both are greater than or equal to 0 and satisfying these inequalities. A2 be a region again in the first quadrant satisfying these inequalities. That means the coordinates of points should satisfy these inequalities. And A3 be a region defined by these constraints. Denote this mod A1, mod A2, mod A3, they denote the areas of region A1, A2 and A3 respectively. And we are supposed to compare the values mod A1, mod A2, mod A3. Basically, we are supposed to compare the values of the areas of these respective regions defined by A1, A2, A3. Let's explore. So here, whenever inequalities are involved, we first of all consider the equalities. So first equality you may say is x plus y equal to 1, let's say. Yeah. So it is a straight line with x and y intercepts being 1 each. Next equality would involve, we have, you may say x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. So basically this is a circle with center 1, 1 and radius 1. Next, expression involves x square plus y square equal to 1. So basically it is a circle with center origin 0, 0 and radius equal to 1. And next, x cube plus y cube equal to 1. Now, as this is a straight line, these two are circles. There is no popular name as such for this curve. We'll plot this directly. Now, first of all, let's plot these first three, x plus y equal to 1, this circle and this circle. So here we have in first quadrant, x plus y equal to 1. So this is x coordinate being 1, y coordinate being 1. This is a circle with center as origin and radius 1. And this is a circle with center as you may say point 1, 1 and again radius 1. Now coming to this first region A1. So this is about x plus y less than 1. So with respect to this line, it is the region which is containing origin, because origin satisfies this inequality. And when we consider this inequality, so it is like saying x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 less than 0. So that means x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 less than 0 essentially means region inside the circle. So region inside the circle, and with respect to this line in the portion containing origin, so this is the area that, or this is the region that we are talking about, whose area would be mod A1. Now coming to A2, x plus y is greater than 1. So that means with respect to this line x plus y equal to 1, it is that region or portion which does not contain origin. So that means above this line you may say. Yeah. And x square plus y square minus 1 you may say less than 0. So that means region inside the circle having center at origin and radius 1. So inside the circle and above this line. So that means this is the region. This is the region. So if you are looking carefully, if you look carefully, mod A1 is equal to mod A2. If you are not convinced just by drawing like this, you can evaluate the two and you'd get both to be pi by 4 minus half. How? Because if you see carefully, this chord, x plus y equal to 1, it subtends 90 degree at the centers of these two circles respectively, and both circles are of radius 1. So that means the area of these segments would be same in both cases, isn't it? Or you may just solve it this way. let's say, we want to find this green region, or you may say mod A2. So it is the area of this sector, which will be pi by 4 times 1 square, pi by 4, minus area of this of this triangle. So half into 1 into 1. So half. So pi by 4 minus half. So mod A1 equal to mod A2. Now let's plot x cube plus y cube equal to 1. So try to see it carefully, and we are concerned about the first quadrant. X plus y equal to 1 turns out to be a straight line like this in first quadrant. In first quadrant, x square plus y square turns out to be a curve like this. X cube plus y cube equal to 1. So x plus y equal to 1 is a straight line. X square plus y square equal to 1 is basically, you may say, quarter circle, curve coming like this. X cube plus y cube equal to 1 will be a curve which is, more, you may say, having greater curvature. Yeah. You may convince yourself by drawing on Desmos also. Let me give you an argument why, it will be having more curvature. Try to think this way. Here clearly x cube plus y cube equal to 1, where x and y both are greater than or equal to 0. So let's consider x and y to be greater than 0. Equal to 0 is a trivial case. When x is 0, y would be 1. When y is 0, x would be 1. So let's say x and y, both are greater than 0. So for example, let's say x greater than 0. Clearly this will be less than 1. X greater than 0 but less than 1. Why? Because the moment x becomes 1, y has to be 0. And x can't be as such greater than 1. Why? Because we want y to be greater than or equal to 0. So that means when x is between 0 and 1, x cube will be less than x square. So let me write it here. When x is between 0 and 1, x cube will be less than x square. Yeah. And when x is between 0 and 1, x cube would also be between 0 and 1, isn't it? So that means y cube would be between 0 and 1. Because x cube plus y cube is supposed to be equal to 1. Yeah. So it would need greater y, since we are talking about x square plus y square equal to 1 and x cube plus y cube equal to 1. Yeah. If x square is greater than x cube, that means y square should be less than y cube. And that also means, given that y is positive, y is, this y, let's say, x1 square equal to y1 square, x2 cube equal to y2 cube. So here x1 square is greater than x1 cube. So for a given x, which we are calling as x1, y1, or you may say, y1 square is supposed to be less than y2 cube. So that means y1 is supposed to be less than y2. So that means y2 is supposed to be greater than y1. So that means for a given x, for a given x equal to x1, y2 will be greater than y1. That means point on this curve x cube plus y cube equal to 1 will be above any given point having the same x coordinate, falling on x square plus y square equal to 1. Hence more curvature. Yeah. So now you can clearly see that, now what does A3 region mean? X plus y greater than 1, same as A2. However, in A2, 1 is greater than x square plus y square. In A3, 1 is greater than x cube plus y cube. So here, similar, just as x square plus y square minus 1 less than 0 implies this region, this green region, x cube plus y cube minus 1 less than 0, and x plus y greater than 1 would imply this region. Yeah, above this line and, inside this curve, x cube plus y cube equal to 1. So here, clearly mod A3 is greater than mod A2. And mod A2, as you have already seen, is equal to mod A1. So that means C is the correct answer. Mod A3 greater than mod A2, which in turn, mod A2 is equal to mod A1. C is the correct answer. Thanks for listening. Stay tuned for the next question.